Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you if Samsung S25 has telephoto lens. And yes, all the Samsungs from the S25 line have telephoto lens besides Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, the latest released one, the thin one, which has only two cameras, and the main camera has 200 megapixels. So actually the telephoto lens isn't really needed anymore, since the main camera can deal with the zooms good enough that the telephoto camera isn't really needed. But on all the other Samsung S25s, like the Samsung S25, the S25 Plus or S25 Ultra, the telephoto camera actually exists. You can see there are three cameras here. One of them is the wide lens, the ultra wide. The other one is the main camera, and the last one is the telephoto. And now I'm gonna check which one is the telephoto. So as you can find in the camera app, as you start zooming in, at some point you'll see how it switches lenses or not. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, you can see it switches the lens on 3 times. When you set it to 3 times, it switches the lens. And now I'm gonna try to cover one of them, and it's the middle one. The middle one seems to be the telephoto lens, but of course I can't be sure about that. No, I'm not really sure, really, because if I zoom in like very close, even over these 3 times zoom, then like when I'm on like 10 times zoom, I'm covering this one and it actually looks like I'm covering it. But on the all other ones, I actually need to cover different lenses. You can see that. So you can test it out yourself on your Samsung to know which one is which, if you need that. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.